Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are November 1st. New month is starting once again, and amazing how the year is passing by. I just can't believe how fast it's going. So what are the Windows market share numbers? Well, interesting numbers for Windows 11. The Windows 11 operating system has got a gain of more than 2%. So it actually moved. And so if we look in September, the numbers were on Windows 10 71.6 moved to 69.3. So that is a fair amount of loss for Windows 10. I'm sure some of it went to Windows 11 because if we look at Windows 11, it was at 23.6. It's jumped to 26.1. So more than a quarter PCs are running Windows 11. If we take numbers that are 1.4, 1.5 billion PCs running Windows, if those numbers are still valid, that makes roughly close to probably a billion PCs running Windows 10 and 350 to 400 million PCs running Windows 11. Somewhere near the number that Microsoft actually gave. So this is interesting. Nice jump, 2%. We'll see next month if that continues or not. If we compare the market share for Windows 11 for the last year, if we take this year, what's interesting is that Windows 11 did rise about close to 59-60%. So that is interesting numbers. It's a fair share of gain, I guess. Probably not, moving as fast as it should or it could, but still, we're moving ahead. And I would guess that at this point, the gain in Windows 11 is mostly PCs that are purchased more than anything else. I'm not sure that at this point and so late in the game that there's a lot of people moving from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on their PCs. So as we start a new era of Windows 11 with, of course, 23H2 being the latest version, this is interesting to see that we're moving on with the market share numbers. Windows 10, of course, still huge domination at 69.3. We'll see by the end of the year, when we get into January, where we are at. And we'll compare the January number to the January number of last year and see what happened exactly with Windows. One that did lose a lot, Windows 7, when we started the year, was a little more than 10%. Now it's at 3% and dropping quite fast, actually. So we're moving ahead into new technologies and new operating systems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.